Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I just wanted to show you a few ways of how I use the clip art that I make using either ChatGPT or Midjourney. Um, I'm a planner girl. I love planning. I love putting stickers in my planner. I don't make as many planner videos as I used to lately, simply because of work. Monday through Thursday is just a bust. I really don't have time to do a lot of things. So, um, if I do anything, I will do some daily pages from scratch in like a graph grid notebook or something like that. Um, but I haven't been able to use my regular planners because I pretty much don't do anything but work Monday through Thursday. So, but I still like to make my um, clip art and stickers and everything like that. So they'll be ready when I am able to get back into my planner like I want to. So that's why I mostly make journaling kits now um, because they're so versatile. You can use them for a lot of different things and a lot of different planners. So that is one of the ways that I use the clip art that I make. So I recently added some new clip art to my shop, so I wanted to make a journaling kit um, and show you the ways that I use the clip art. So this is pretty much my template here. I have my headers here with the days of the week, then to do, goals, and important. And then this is just has Legionnaire Designs in the name of the kit, whatever I decide to name the kit. And then this is a frame here that I like to use. So what I do is I go to upload files, and let me show you where that is. You go here to uploads on the side, then go upload files, and then I find the clip art that I want to use. And I'm just going to grab it all. I don't know what all I'm going to use. And what I did, I just clicked on the first one, scroll down. I held down shift on my keyboard and then I clicked the last one. And then it will grab all of them and then upload them all to Canva. And I'm working in Canva. I don't know how I missed saying that in the beginning. I am working in Canva. I do have Canva Pro, and a lot of the things that I'm going to be doing today, you do need the Canva Pro to do these things. Um, well, actually, maybe not, because I've already taken the background off of these images. But if I needed to take the background off of the images, I would definitely be using Canva Pro. But I'll see with the outline if Canva Pro is something I need. All right, now that everything has been uploaded, then I start to decorate my sticker sheet. So first thing I like to do, this heat right here is acting as digital paper. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it over to the frame. All right. And then that part is done. So let's say you wanted maybe a different part of this in your frame. You could double click on it if it'll let me. There we go. And you can kind of move the frame a little bit, however you want to move it. Um, there we go. Um, if you wanted different colors in the frame or different things like that, you can move it like that. I actually do like that better. Let's see. And if you're like me and can never match the first one, this is what you can do. Just click on the second one and delete it. And I'm going to click delete frame. Then I'm going to click on this one and hit the plus sign to duplicate it. And then flip it. Right. So it'll be lined up correctly. All right, so I got that part taken care of. So then I decide what I want to actually have on the sticker kit. Of course, I want the dolls. Um, so I grab one of the dolls. I'm just bringing this in. It's not really necessary, but I'm just bringing it in. Let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. And I have upscaled this art. Um, I'll talk about doing that in one of my other videos. So, um, now that I have the doll on here, I'm going to place an outline around her so that she will be sticker. So I'm going to make sure I'm clicked on her edit photo. And then I'm going to go down here to shadows and then outline. And you see it place the outline around the doll, right? Then I scroll down, click on the color, and I move this all the way up so that it will be white. All right. So I do that for every piece of clip art that I'm going to put on my sticker sheet. That's how I do it. That's how I add the outline around it. So now you see how here you have these open spots in the outline. You can make the outline bigger. You can change the size of the outline. So let me go back to edit photo, shadows, and the size of the outline is 25. Um, I can make it bigger to close up um, that opening. But if you don't want your outline to be too big, here's another thing you can do. If you go to elements, and I'm going to get out of this frame area, and you click shapes, and just grab a shape. A square is fine. And you just use one of the arrows to bring it down. You want to change the color of it to white. And I'm going to make two of them because I have two spots. And you just place it over the spot. You click position and to back. Right? I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Grab it, place it over the spot, position to back. And then what you want to do is you want to click and drag because you want to you want to make sure you have those two things grabbed. You see it right here, it has a box around it, and you want to hit group. All right. So when you move it, it's all grouped together. And then those spots are also covered as well. And just make sure you have your spots covered. I think this one I probably need to move a little bit, but I'll do that at a later time. All right. So I have my one doll. And then I size her. You see as you move it, the size changes. So I'm just gonna leave it the height was 2.5 and the width was 1 inch, I think. All right, so I'm just gonna move her down into position. And now I'm just gonna go back to my uploads and I'm gonna grab the other dolls. And I'm just gonna place the outline. So I'm gonna grab a few elements and then I'll come back and show you what my page looks like so far. I'm going to grab the elements and place the outline. Now that I have everything on the kit that I want, I now need to change the colors of the headers. And how I do that is just kind of zoom in and click on it, and the colors will come here. And Canva will give you the colors that are in the photo. So you just have to choose the color that you think might fit best. Um, I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. And then if all of these are the same color, you can just hit change all and it will automatically change everything for you. Right? And if you want to change the color of the words, just click on the words, go up here to the text color, and then you can change the words. I do think I like white better than black. And then here, I'll just click on a part out here and I will change it to that as well. All right. So the kit is done. This part of the kit is done. And I always offer boxes, a second page of boxes with my kits. So how I do that, I scroll down here to projects and I'm going to hit see all, and I find, let's see, I'm just looking for a set of boxes so I don't have to do them all from scratch. So here's one, journaling boxes kit. So I click on it and I'm going to hit add as a new page, right? So now I'm going to click the boxes, click the color, and oh, no, I don't want the inside color to change. I want the border color to change. So always remember to click on border color. And now I can change them all. Or if you wanted another color, so let's click on one and go back to border color. Here are some other colors that are present in the kit. You can also make, excuse me, you can choose some of these colors as well, and just make it a variety of colors. But I think just gonna leave it as the one color. I think because I think the only other color that I would want to use is maybe like this brown. Let's see what it looks like. Hmm, I might do that. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Should I just leave it one color or should I make the second row this brown color? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and change the second rows to the brown colors, and then I'll come back and let you see how it looks. All right, so this is what it looks like with the mix matched colors. I think I like that. You got the green and then you have that lighter brown. So I think I will leave this like it is. And the next thing I would do, I would test these out on my Cricut just to make sure they cut correctly. And once they do, I'll maybe film a plan with me to put them in my notebook or whatever I'm using, um, and then upload them to my shop. So that is one way that I use the clip art that I make. And this clip art is in my shop. If you go to my shop, I always link it in the description. You hit fashion dolls and clip art. Um, the clip art is in my shop. So here's the camo print clip art, and it has all of that clip art that you see on the kit. Here's some leopard print clip art, and then here's some patchwork clip art. All of these are, this is the new clip art that's in my shop now. One of the other ways that I use the images or clip art, um, these are mostly images that I've done off of Midjourney. The other way that I use the art, AI art, is for journal book covers that I put in Amazon or on Amazon KDP. I'm trying to get it out. I can't talk today. So I have several different journals, blank line journals on Amazon KDP, and I make the covers in Canva using art AI art that I've created using Midjourney. I haven't used any of the Chat GPT images that I've used for book covers yet. In the past, I would buy clip art from other shops and I would use that to make the book covers. But these three covers, the images come from Midjourney, from a prompt I use from Midjourney. So here's one of the first ones. And the name of this is In My Mind. Um, so I make these book covers. And this one is Listening Out Loud. And then this one is Mind, Body, and Soul, right? So if you want me to show you how to make these book covers and upload things to Amazon KDP, let me know. It's a way to make passive income because it's free to upload journals to Amazon KDP. Um, of course, Amazon prints them, ships them, everything. So you get a commission from the books you have on there. All right, this is my Amazon storefront. I always link it in the description box below. Um, these are the things that I have so far, the categories. But under books and journals is where you can find all of the journals and different things that I've put on Amazon KDP. This is my book that I wrote. This is a thriller, Deception Disguised as Love. Um, and then this is the coloring book that I recently put on there. Everything else on here, blank line journals. So these are the three from Midjourney. The art came from Midjourney. And then everything else is art that I purchased because I've had this, I've been putting journals up for a while. Um, so these are just blank line journals. I like her. She's cute. Here's some composition notebooks and then more blank line journals. This is a gratitude journal, so it's a guided journal. It has prompts in it. And I also have, if it's here, here's a project notebook. So it doesn't have just blank lines. It has project pages where you can plan out projects. And this is a mindfulness journal. It also has guided prompts. All right. So just wanted to show you um, different things you can do with AI art. Again, these are the three that I made with Midjourney. And if you want me to show you how to make book covers for Amazon KDP, just let me know in the comments and I will do that for you. So those are the two ways that I use the AI art that I create in either Midjourney or um, uh, ChatGPT for DAL-E. If you have any questions, let me know in the description box below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.